Hello, today I would like to show you this absolutely amazing bit of kit that is completely self-contained and was designed for doing manicure or pedicure or in general for removing dead skin from your fingers, from your toes. But everything is packed in that metal aluminum case. The same time, this is a genuine product that was made by that company. This is not something that someone put by themselves, and it was intended for like a home visit where the person who is doing the manicure is going into someone's house, or for example in like a movie set you can have a lady that is responsible for that, and she was grabbing that kit. He put it anywhere that you've got a AC socket, and she can do their work. First and the most important, on side of that case you've got a computer style AC in plug, and this is going to be significant just in seconds because this is a power operated device. But let's open our case and see what we've got inside. So first compartment is on the top, and as you can see we've got gloves, we've got all sorts of different things that are related to doing a manicure or pedicure. On top we've got sets of like surgical instruments for doing different nail clipping, skin clipping, and as you can see everything is that in that nice, those stuff looks pretty scary. I'm not sure if I would like to be touched by that, but that whole set you can nicely remove, and you can take it into the table or in any location, but you've got everything nicely in that spot. What is important, we've got a bag for built-in vacuum cleaner, and this is going to be very important. But let's remove that tray, and after removing the tray we've got our most important thing. This is our main device. The first thing that you see is that extremely long cord, and it's ended with a computer plug. And you might expect what's going to happen. This is going to mate with the external socket, and you've got a very nice connection, and that connection is giving you power to that regular Schuko standard socket. So you've got like your extension cord that looks like you bring home with you. You've got like a regular socket. This is pretty amazing. You've got a place for a different device. So let me plug it in. I plug the power in. Let's take a look at the device. As you can see, it is a completely stand-alone unit, and that's mean we can take it out. We do not need to use it inside the case. It's not ready for being operational, and that's because we do not have our handle, and this is how it looks like. The handpiece feels absolutely amazing. I saw that type of steel on surgical instruments. I'm pretty sure it is expensive and very high quality. We've got the on-off switch. On top we've got place where you are fitting your grinding wheel. There can be a whole different set that can be like a grinding wheel. It can be like a stone. A lot of different things, like a paper disc. You just slide it in. Around our grinding element we've got a hollow holes that are going to be creating a vacuum and are going to be sucking every particle that are going to be grinded, and they are going to be sucked via that hose, and that hose is going to lead into that contraption. Here we've got our cable that we are going to be plugging in. It's using like a old style DIN connector, full size DIN connector, and everything that is going to be everything that you are going to file off, it's going to end up in that beautiful paper bag. Here is a model number if you would be interested in ordering a spare part. But as you can see on this set, you've got a couple units. You put the screw back and you are ready to go. So we've got the adjustment for speed. Here we are adjusting speed of the rotation. Here we adjust the vacuum, as you can see. This is the on-off switch for a vacuum cleaner, and this is a power switch for the grinding wheel. So I set the speed, but nothing is happening, and that's because this element is off, and now it's spinning. And it's working really nice, but that can do every device. That can be done by any dremel-like tool, but creating vacuum is not. So now we've got the magic. So as you can see, this whole set is absolutely amazing. The quality, the attention for the details. After you're done, you put it into the corresponding slot. It's looking absolutely amazing. The build quality is definitely there. You can see that on my videos I was using different unit. I was using them for electronic related things like cleaning contacts from a leaked battery, because I don't want to have the dust around my lab. And this is the best quality that I've ever got, and it is a pretty powerful. Let's imagine that you are done and you would like to put everything back. You unplug those elements, you put the grinding element here, you coil your wire, you unplug the power cord, you put it beautifully here. We add the top part. We go like this with our element, and we are closing the top part, and we are done. We can put that on our arm and we can go to the next location, to the next client. So as you can see, absolutely amazing. This is a high quality piece of equipment. I hope you find that interesting. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.